Today we're going to be making homemade apple cider.
I bought 12 sweet apples, different varieties, and 2 oranges. We're going to cut each one in quarters and add it to the Instant Pot along with some whole spices such as cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, and ginger. Then we're going to add some water. We're going to pressure cook this on high pressure for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to mash it down to break it into pieces. I lined a clean cloth into a strainer on top of a bowl, and I dumped the mixture into the strainer. Once the apple cider is strained, I'll add some brown sugar, and I also added my cinnamon sticks back into the apple cider, and we just stir it around, and then it is finished. Make sure to use sweet apples for this apple cider. For example, I used Gala, Honeycrisp, Fiji, and Golden Delicious.